What is a side effect of ACE inhibitor that's bothersome? That's why patients don't like this. Yeah, annoying, persistent, dry cough. It sounds like they're smokers or they have some allergies that never go away. Okay. One time my mom was on this prescription and I didn't realize that she's on this prescription. And I noticed her cough doesn't go away. I said, "Can I see your prescriptions?" And I saw the Pril as one of her prescriptions. I said, "Oh my God." I said, "This didn't bother you." I said, "I'm just hearing it and it bothers me and it's been going on for weeks now." I said, "This is a side effect of one of your drugs." So the next appointment she had with her cardiologist, she talked about this and she said, "My cough doesn't go away." And then they replaced her prescription. Of course, it's annoying, especially if you go to work or school. Next one. What are amino acids? Your building blocks of proteins, correct. So here's how it looks like. Your carbohydrates, symbol CHO, they're actually sugar plus sugar plus sugar. Get it? It's a chain of sugars. Okay. Your protein, on the other hand, what? A chain of amino acids. Get it? So you can picture what a carbohydrates look like and what a protein looks like. Okay. What medication is indicated for cough? Loratadine. Yes, no? No. Give me a brand name. Or Loratadine. What's a popular brand name for Loratadine? Claritin. Good job. It's for what? Allergies. Okay. But usually doctors give this as what? If your cough is brought about by allergies, irritation. Cetirizine. Is it for cough? Okay.